Hello everyone, this is Luoyang Industry. Beside me is the roller shell assembly. This roller shell, the diameter is 1000 millimeter and the length is 460, and the bore size is 60 millimeters, and the finished bore size is 60 millimeter multiplies 45. And this roller shell adopted the hot sheet fitting, and we can see the bearing housing and also the coupling adopted the easy assembly method. This is convenient for the customers to change the spare part. Okay, thanks.